strong.
Hi, Mike with parmeTECH here. When it comes to purchasing a printer or copier, many organizations turn to online retailers or big box stores for convenience and price. However, these retailers do not offer service oftentimes. And when your printer isn't operating correctly, you're left to figure out how to go about getting service. So let's talk about why reliable print service matters. First is to minimize downtime. If you use your printer for the daily operation of your business, downtime could be incredibly disruptive. Having a reliable print service provider to deliver fast service and efficient repair can keep your business up and running smoothly. Second is to maximize the performance of your printer. Having reliable service delivered in a timely way can help address issues before they escalate. And third is extending the life of your printer. Service technicians will clean and calibrate internal components when they do service calls, minimizing wear and tear that could cause more serious issues down the road. I hope this information has been helpful. Many organizations hesitate to spend money on print service contracts, but in reality, it's a strategic expense that can provide cost savings down the road. If you'd like more information on print service contracts, please look at the blog below or feel free to contact us directly. And as always, for all of us here at parmeTECH, thanks for watching. Bye for now.